Welcome to China, Shunde, the city of gastronomy. We're taking you to join a local community food event with prestigious Shunde cooks, gourmets, and riders in a traditional community ancestral hall. It's trendy that more and more Shunde people will take their children to participate in the local food events to enjoy the delicacies and learn about Shunde food culture. And I say, being a foodie from a young age is in our genes. I mean, good food can make your day, right? You know, Shunde is also the home of Chinese chefs, especially in the area of Cantonese cuisine. There's a saying, eating in Guangzhou, cooking from Fengchen, which shows the prestigious and privileged position of Shunde chef in Cantonese cuisine. If you drop by, why not take a foodie tour with me? Again, welcome to Shunde.
在悉尼，我们也会跟当地的外国同学去分享我们顺德是美食之都。当地其实也挺多顺德的留学生，过节的时候都是大家组团去那里吃一下顺德菜。那所以其实是我们有很浓的一个就是家乡的那个美食情节。